Hi everyone, this is Awardi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'll be going to share with you how easy to make DIY face shield with materials found at home. So let's start! You just need rectangular foam, acetate film sheet, elastic band, using electric glue gun, horizontally attach foam into the acetate film. Sew elastic band on both ends and staple it to secure elastic band. I've used printed wrapper to cover the front side of the shield. You can use any paper if you want. And you're done! You can now use your DIY face shield. Thanks for watching and see you